So this is Filmora 9. It's a nonlinear editor, fully featured, supports 100 tracks of video, 100 tracks of audio. So I've imported images into my media library already, so I'm going to grab a few and drag them onto my timeline. It's very quick, very simple drag and drop process. I can preview my project right away. Goes really quickly. So let's say I like this image, but I want to adjust the colors of it. So I go into our color correction module, and I can change, the color temperature, make it either cooler or a little bit warmer look. So let's say I like that. If I want to quickly apply a cinematic look, I can apply a 3D LUT as well. So here's like a cinematic look or a black and white look. So let's say, I like this really old school look, so I'll select that. And then that's quickly applied. So I want to add a title to my video as well. So Filmora 9 comes with a large library of professionally designed titles and graphic elements. So I can have openers, titles, credit rolls. It's really easy to use. So let's say I like this one, and I just simply drag that element onto a new track, and it's automatically composited off of my background video. So this is the preset text, and I can customize that. So I'll just double click this element, I'll select the text, and I'll edit it right here. So Vidcon, that's my first text box, and then I'll click that second text box, and this will be summer 2019. Okay, so then we've got that element composited nicely over my video. And there's a lot more other cool graphic elements and effects I can apply. So there's bokeh, lens flares, and frames that I can apply. So if I want to change the look of that, it's really quick and easy. And also there are animated elements as well. So like we have a look here. So you can see it has animated text. I can also just apply that as a second layer. So now we have two different elements composited on top. Yeah, and in fact, I can further customize that. So I just select that, and I can interactively scale, rotate it, and position it the way I like. So let's say I like that. Or maybe I'll add a little bit of transparency to that. So we just go to compositing here, and I'll change the opacity a little bit.
Oh, okay.
So there we go. So it's really easy to build up your video, whether it's travel video, graduation videos. You can make, narrative stories as well. We have green screen compositing feature. Let me show you that. So let me go find some green screen footage. So here's one example. So I'll take my friend Camilla here, and I'll drag her on top of the background track. So she's been filmed on green screen already. So I'll just adjust the settings so that I will pull out the green. So I'll just tweak it for this particular clip. And you can see that the green disappears, and we get her nicely standing against the background, like that. And again, maybe I don't want her to fill the frame, so then I'll just tweak that element again. So let me take this element, and again I can interactively resize, and I also have controls in here if I want to be more precise, so I'll just fine tune it with precise values that I like. Yeah.
So really good for gaming.
It's true.
Well.
That's right. So with Filmora Pro, it's a step above Filmora 9. There's a lot more personalization and customization options available to you in Filmora Pro. So in Filmora 9, we have all these preset elements. And aside from, say, changing the color, they're more or less designed for people who want to quickly add elements that are already made for you. But if you have the skills or the desire to make your own custom motion graphics, then Filmora Pro is where it's at, because it's got a full-featured animation engine. So you can do keyframing, so you can animate the positioning, opacity. There's also masking. You can do rotoscoping as well in Filmora Pro.
That's awesome. Yeah. I remember you mentioning that.
Yes.
That was really useful. But
yes.
I'm very impressed with the fact that Filmora 9 gives you just a lot of features.
Oh, absolutely.
Tons of features.
That's
and
right.
What's the cost for Filmora 9 and 9 Pro?
Yeah, so Filmora 9 is $60. It's a single lifetime fee. with unlimited free upgrades for life.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And Filmora Pro is a single license fee as well for $150.
Amazing. Thank you so much for
You're very welcome. Thanks for dropping by. Great to have you here.